How to recover Roblox account without password or email. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to recover your Roblox password without your email or current password. It's important to know that this method only works if you've linked your phone number to your Roblox account. If you haven't, you will need to contact the Roblox customer support and explain your situation. And here's how you can reset your password with your phone number. First of all, you need to go to roblox.com. Once you're in the official website, tap on Forgot Password or Username from the login box. This will take you to the reset page. Now switch to Phone from the email section. And once you're there, simply select your country and it will automatically set your country code. Then enter your phone number and then tap on Continue. You will receive a security code on your phone. Simply enter the code and then click on Verify, and you will now be able to create a new password for your account. Remember that if you haven't linked your phone number, this method won't work. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.